In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure Stripe payments on your Shopify store. Setting up payment gateways is a crucial step in ensuring your online store runs smoothly, enabling you to accept payments from your customers with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to Shopify. Simply open your web browser and type in the Shopify URL to log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials handy so you can effortlessly access the dashboard. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options to explore, but our focus today will be on integrating a payment method that best suits your needs. After landing on your Shopify admin page, you'll need to navigate to the Settings menu. You can usually find this option at the bottom left of your screen, symbolized by a little gear icon. Click on it, and a new menu will appear with several important features. Remember, these settings are the backbone of your online store's operation, so it's important to familiarize yourself with them. From the Settings menu, the next step is to click on Payments. This is where all the magic happens in terms of managing how you receive funds from sales. Once you're on the Payments page, look for the Choose a Provider button. This step is crucial as you're selecting the platform that will serve as your payment gateway, ensuring all transactions are processed securely. Click on Choose a Provider and a selection of options will appear. Here, you'll want to focus on Stripe, which is known for its reliability and comprehensive features that cater to various business needs. Start by typing Stripe into the search bar to easily locate it among the list of potentially available providers. Click on Stripe once you find it, and this will initiate the integration process. Integrating Stripe with your Shopify store enhances the payment experience for your customers by allowing a secure and seamless transaction. Stripe supports a wide range of payment methods, including credit cards, digital wallets, and more, providing flexibility to your clientele and potentially increasing conversion rates. At this point, everything should be set, and you have now successfully integrated Stripe as your preferred payment provider in Shopify. Any transactions made through your online store can be processed via Stripe, ensuring a stress-free and efficient shopping experience for your customers. And that's it. High five your screen because you've just optimized your store's payment functionality. Remember, keeping your payment methods up to date is vital for maintaining customer trust and satisfaction. If there are any more configurations or adjustments you want to make, feel free to explore Shopify's settings further. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your e-commerce journey.